Yan. Grabe naman si Koto ko, pre. Haha. Koto. Grabe, 18k LC. Pangin. Grabe yung presyo ng mga item talaga. Di ko nga mabuksan upgraded shadow box. Tapos parang wala nang upgrade. Level 82 pre.
Why couldn't the pony sing a lullaby? Why? Because she was a little horse. Why did you read my private thing? I wanna hear. Okay, fine. I got it.
Ika. Silip-silip lang ginagawa ko kasi. Masyado nakakapaglaro.
Oh no, I fell. Why not? Why are you banned? What happened? Probably you lost your account or you need to update.
Search nyo kasi gamitin nyo. Human, medium, neutral. Makikita nyo yan, pre. Promise. Yan na, tatlo. Yan na, sagad na yun. Wala na akong clue na ibibigay. Okay lang yan, pre. Mahal kasi na megaphone box, 50 LC. Kasi Friday, alam ko. Friday kasi uwi na kami. Subscriber raffle tsaka top fan raffle. Mas palaro tayo, mini games. Annals Jewel tos LC. Pagpalagay mo mga 2 buwan. 3 buwan, September to November. Tapos December yung war hanggang Feb.
If you share it to your mom,
Grabe, nagbubukas ng itlog. Putang na, sunod-sunod. Yun, Holy Armor. Scroll, Orca Clothes. Nakakuha ng Orc Lord.
Bro! Why?
So, next clue natin. Sa Divine Pride nyo mahanap to. Medium. First winner.
I would be so angry. Let's join my new friend. Do you know this Alejandro?
Ang mga gusto sumali, pasok na isa pa. Punong mag-chat sa pub.
Truth or dare?
Mahal nun eh. CC pambili nun eh. Kasi ano pa random shit.
How dare you call me Alice? Nobody called me Alice.
2 weeks din, 2 weeks.
I can have your account
Thank you for sharing, pre.
whenever I want to and however I
Teka,
want.
iusin ko lang yung listahan.
How?
Because we all spot.
I better baby dream anymore. No. Start na tayo. 2 winners.
For real. Okay. What server should we play? By the way, I'm gonna make a new account for you.
Bago.
Oh no, I'm scared. What about you? I'm scared.
Pagkatapos nito, LC na yung premyo. Okay. So ano else jewel pa to? Guess the monster mga pre. Wala ng top fan dyan mga pre. Pag wala, edi sa mga viewer raffle tayo ngayon.
What do you mean?
Hindi po ako,
Ano yan?
sir. Hindi
Oh,
pala,
hindi.
pre.
Online talaga.
Day pa lang. Ayoko na pre. Di ko na ulitin yung tatlong stream pre.
Yeah, she was going to be your partner for the playdate, but sadly it canceled.
Ito na, round 1 mga pre. Come. Oh yan, madali lang yan pre. Challenge, See God's Anger. Elite Siege Whites and Blue Potion Exchange availability in Utility Quest NPC.
Do you announce it?
Ayan.
What?
So tatlo na lang. Si Aishi, si Tagum, siya si Triggerman. Kaya pasok lang lahat ng gustong sumali. Hanap lang ako ng mobs. Rayman and Moa. O yan pre, ano yan? Pag-alpag. Oh man, cavalry requirements. Sige, magta-timer ako. Lakihan ko pa. Yan, punta lang kayo sa upper front, mga pre. Mga gustong sumali. Ang dami na rin kasi talagang may shadow armor, so parang medyo lang siguro tayo 4 rounds.
You found it on YouTube.
Ito sila ano,
Wait,
Tekra.
can you spot
Ano may
a car?
rebellion pa din pala.
Can you spot a car? I'm positive. Wait lang. Spot a car.
Requirements. Okay, lalakyan ko. Warper Aruna Fields. Punta tayo sa 7-Eleven mamaya.
Stop using it. Okay, guys. Wait na. This is gonna be fun.
Online ba kayo parehas, pre? Padil ako, nandito ako sa taas ng front.
Ayo?
Palaro tayo. Check ko lang kung ano mga bago. Prick.
Right. We're trying to trick my friend. Wait, I see many money. Tell me who's the bird and tell them if they're trying to target.
Okay, next round. Yan siya, oh. Si Namrebus tsaka si Penny. Pa-claim ako, Namrebus, Penny. May 45 seconds din kayo. Pag wala,
I'm gonna win to him. Let's see. Yeah, it's the
yun. So, nauna si Shenlong, si Chi, si... Pagbibigay ako ng, lalaki ako yung picture. Next. Oo. October yung live event. So, bali may 3 months na, ayun, pasok. Stop na, pre.
I wish you could play Roblox now.
Ayun, si Ato nga nanalo.
Why?
Sorry. I'm sorry, I forgot you were sleeping. Gago nag-tail eh. 1 minute. Para sa mga entries. Na mga nandito pa sa stream. May 1 minute.
Can you join me? This is a fun game.
Sali na kayo, TLLGP pre.
Fun. Wait, can you I'm more evil than you
It's
told me.
only one way. Sharing my last time.
Time to buy a corn. Okay, fine. Let's chill.
Pwede din, paraffle natin Loti. Paraffle tayo Loti. Pero mamaya siguro sa bang... Ano ba tong square ko? Jerusalem bells ringing. Morphe, send mo na lang sa BPI ko. Di pa ako nabibili. Palworld tayo mamaya, pre. Pagkatapos nito. Pa-claim mga par.
So it means to remember those times that I
Baria, say that you remember. It's in September.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys.
Pwede pre, different character.
Ow.
Oh, Jojo.
Can you hear me?
1 minute na lang yung clue natin, yung pagitan. So, after 1 minute, lalakyan ko pa ng onti yung picture, tapos 1 minute ulit.
You. You found someone there in the thing?
I thought, no, I bet. I saw one set.
Hanap lang tayo ng ipapag-guess.
Questions. Ayo?
Hindi siya ano eh.
Yeah.
Oh no eh.
She's the oldest, by the way.
Okay.
Sheila is the youngest.
Laro tayo. Check lang. Notify lang kayo mga pre. Check lang ako ng mga top fan kung meron pa. Saka subs.
Recently, a video was on viral of Jenny smoking on one of the staff member. It seems Jenny's smoking scandal may have legal consequences. A news outlet reported that a fan had asked for the
Thing will come between us. Oh, no.
Bro, they're trying to watch drama class.
Ay, di si Banayad pala autoclave. Banayad, Redux, yung sunod-sunod naman yan eh. 16, 17, 18. Basta pababa.
Or whatever I want.
So, 16, 17, 18, Banayad, Akane, tsaka Redux. Pa-claim ako. Sayang streamer X,
Or else I'm gonna look on yours.
maganda pa naman yung bagong itlog, pre.
I'm already looking.
Thank you for sharing the stream, Ju. Ariel.
Yeah.
Harold. Congratulations, B. 2 minutes, 1 minute na lang, tapos magbibigay ako ng bagong clue. Square mga pre. Kung gusto niyo sumali, punta lang kayo, Aru. Aruna Felts Guild Castle map.
Over Jollibee.
Ayun ako din sa... OP pa din ba
Hey,
ito?
there's a phone. Come here. Come here. Come here. I have
Ano else, Jewel? Ano ba bago sa ano else, Jewel, pre? Anong bagong nakukuha? Meron ba? Vajra.
go to
Ay, sa
marketplace,
bibig.
then go to characters. If you see the thing, I mean, never mind that.
Boss pa! Mergy, may 45 seconds ka to claim kung nandiyan ka. 45 seconds para kay Mergy. Suggestion ko sa inyo, gumamit kayo ng Divine Pride. Wala nang hahabol para sa streamer egg raffle natin. Oras eh. Saglit lang yun na yun.
playing with friends.
Lobat na headset ko. Yun o, Boss JC Artilero.
Oh, I'm going to send it to you.
Okay lang yan, basta ano.
There.
Nandito siya, lalabas siya sa Divine Pride.
Yeah, there. I'm in. Yeah, positive. Just stay stand here. Okay? Don't.
Where? Oh yeah.
See?
Yep, you knew.
So naglabas na ng roadmap yung ano no, Lakas RO. So September trans. Tapos
When I said I'm like in a. I'm gonna turn you to an emo bro.
oh, 1 minute tapos next clue. Medium. Para sa 25 LC, 25 LC na to. Ah,
Like,
They're not gonna like go into my house.
So mananalo dito, one winner lang to. Ang mananalo dito VIP.
I'm having bad dreams.
That's not very funny, guys.
Oh, really?
Dahil LGP sa
No offense, but not to doubt.
5 days nang di natatabi si baby, tinatrangkaso. Ayop. Yung months na yun.
I'm positive. Just
Ayun o, Simon.
drive it to the motel.
Welcome to the stream, Repa. See you bukas.
Slay!
Hailey. Later na pala. Later.
I dare you. I dare you to.
Should be over all the butterflies.
One for Rainbow, one for Amanda. Dami na.
May specific na name, parang ano to, sa mga nanguhula, ano to, parang specific name mob. Nandun siya sa
Anyways, I cannot change your account to an emo one. By the way, why were you shocked?
Papagpats pa din. Halos walang nabago. Parang ang habol sa ano? Sa streamer eggs. Si Fenny tsaka si Namrepus ang next in line. Anong oras? Siguro mga 1 hour 45 minutes ng stream. Siguro mga after 30 minutes pre.
Like this? This side?
Bakit parang ang baba naman ng
Like,
story?
like. Okay, so.
Limit ko. So after 5 minutes, lalakihan ko ulit yung square. May 45 seconds sila para mag-claim.
That's where I feel.
Okay. Thank you sa lahat ng dumaan sa stream mga pre. Raraffle ko yung ano sa AOE, no?
No, I did that on purpose.
Galit na galit, gustong manakit. Yan, para sa 1 week VIP.
But
Ibulot yun, di ba?
it clapped your hands.
Okay. Sir, yun. Siguro sunod-sunod gawin natin, guys, the monster. 2 rounds on LSG well, 5 rounds LC. Tapos may family nung Explorer robot. Kailangan nyo lang makuha yung specific na pangalan. Tama ba? Wait lang. Bago baka 25. Ay, hindi. Ano pala? 100 NLs Jewel pala, sorry. 100 NLs Jewel. Mamaya na pala next round pala yung 25 LC. Kayo, lahat ng nandito pa sa stream mga pre.
You made this for 100 years, bro.
Lahat ng nanonood pa.
Wait lang. Ang tanong mo na.
Audacity, pre. Warp lang. Town.
Bro, I always thought that in my mind during afternoon that Sophia was a part of an